presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, has been revealed to have asked Jonathan to relinquish the presidential ticket in 2015. This was revealed by the Rivers State Governor, Nyesom Wike.
You know, what I don't like in people, we forget history easily. We forget history. We forget history that in 2015, when Jonathan, as a sitting president, I'm not talking as a Cuba, as a presidential candidate. I'm saying as a sitting president. When he had won his primaries, people forget history. Jonathan went to London, in Dorchester Hotel. He went to plead with this presidential candidate today, Atiku Abubakar. Say, please, my brother, come back to the party and support me. You know the condition they gave to Jonathan? He should relinquish his ticket, not to run as the president of Nigeria. That was a sitting president and a presidential candidate of a ruling party. They gave him condition. Telling him to relinquish that ticket for him not to run. So when I see some people running around talking rubbish, they forget history easily. Today, we are not saying the presidential candidate should relinquish the ticket. We are not being selfish. We are saying since we are not a presidential candidate, let our people take chairmanship. They said they will kill me. Is it possible?